with all the attentions going toward full-frame APS-C and medium format camera system, I really think Micro Four Thirds is now becoming really underrated. However, from my own experience, Micro Four Thirds still offer plenty of benefits that you cannot easily find in other camera systems. Welcome to my channel, I'm Gary Wiryawan, and today I'm going to share 5 reasons why you should use Micro Four Thirds camera system. Intro. So in today's video, I will share 5 reasons why you should use Micro Four Thirds cameras. There are actually more than 5 reasons, and you are free to comment down below what are your own reasons for using Micro Four Thirds. But I'm just going to share 5 that I think really sticks out personally to me, and what I really think are the true strengths of Micro Four Thirds camera system. Anyway, what I will share in today's video are based on my personal experience. I do shoot a lot with Micro Four Thirds, and I document the process, the behind the scenes of how I come up with some pictures, especially the ones that I take with my Micro Four Thirds camera. You can check out those vlogs up here to learn more, but without further ado, now it's time for me to share the reasons. Reason number 1, it's because obviously the Micro Four Thirds camera system is small and lightweight. Well, yes, Micro Four Thirds these days are now about the large, heavy professional camera bodies and lenses. However, we do still have plenty of options for smaller cameras and lenses. For example, from the Panasonic Lumix, we have this guy right here. This is the GX850. This is the GX85, not that much bigger, but still packs a lot of punch. And from Olympus, we do have the EPL series, the Pan series, which are relatively small as well. Being small makes it really easy to travel with and do travel photography when you need to go to so many different kinds of places. Having a small and lighter camera gear makes all the difference when it comes to shooting experience. And even if you don't travel, you're just going around the town, going out for the night, for the evening with your friends or family, having a nice camera around with you that's not heavy, that's really something that's so nice, and that's the strength of Micro Four Thirds. However, keep in mind that being small and being light doesn't mean that it's not capable for doing serious photography. It is capable for doing serious photography with all those features, and they still pack a lot of punch. And this segue nicely into my second reason of why you should use Micro Four Thirds camera system. Second reason why you should use Micro Four Thirds camera system is because it can provide image quality that is much better compared to the image quality of your smartphone camera. So yeah, to be honest with you, Micro Four Thirds doesn't have the best of the best when it comes to image quality. I think you should go to medium format or anything larger if you want the absolute best image quality. But if you want something that is just good enough, something that is much better compared to your smartphone's image quality that you'll definitely be happy with, then Micro Four Thirds by all means is the right choice. And yeah, it doesn't mean that because it's not the best of the best, you cannot use it for professional environment or shooting scenarios. You can definitely use that. I know lots of my friends and even some famous YouTubers who use Micro Four Thirds for professional photography and video as well. Reason number 3 why you should use Micro Four Thirds camera system is because of the great lens selection. There are many lenses that you can choose from Micro Four Thirds, from both Panasonic Lumix and also from Olympus or OM system. And if that's not enough for you, you still have plenty of third-party options. Some of the classic Micro Four Thirds lens that I think you should consider include something like this. This is the Olympus 75mm f1.8 in full frame or APS-C. It's quite difficult to find a lens of this quality, of this focal length, of this size, and of this price. So yeah, another great Micro Four Thirds lens that you cannot really find anywhere else. Panasonic Lumix 35 to 100mm f4 to f5.6. Something this small, this lightweight, and this price. You cannot really find it on other formats as well. This is my favorite travel telephoto lens, by the way. And then something like the Panasonic Lumix 20mm f1.7. Again, another great lens for micro four thirds, great image quality, small size, fantastic. And then if you're into telephoto for shooting wildlife or distant landscape photography, the Panasonic Lumix 100 to 300mm f4 to f5.6 provides you with an equivalent of 600mm in full frame, but with a relatively small size. This is not small compared to other micro four thirds lenses, but 600mm on other larger format. Wow, that's going to be big and heavy and expensive. Reason number 4 why you should use a micro four thirds camera system is because there are plenty of great budget options for both camera and lenses. If you're just starting out photography, or even if you're a seasoned photographer, and if you are not a professional photographer, usually you don't want to spend too much money on camera gear and lenses. And cameras and lenses nowadays are getting more expensive every day. But luckily with micro four thirds, you have some great budget options. For example, right here, I have the Panasonic Lumix G85, which costs about probably $350 brand new. I bought this one new. And then I have this lens light right here. This is the Panasonic Lumix 14mm f2.5, and I bought this used for less than $100. So together this is less than $450, and you can already start shooting and you can get great result with this combination of camera and lens. And if you don't want to buy a new lens, even the kit lens that comes with the Panasonic Lumix cameras, they're already great. Right here, I have the Panasonic Lumix GX85 that I bought used for less than $400, and it comes with this fantastic Panasonic Lumix 12 to 32mm kit lens. And together, this camera and this lens, this combination has created really nice images. I use this combination a lot, and if you want something a little bit more, you can just add this little telephoto lens, the Panasonic Lumix 35 to 100mm f4 to f5.6, and with these two lenses you can basically capture anything, and I mean anything: travel photography, portrait, landscape, scenery, food photography, street photography, all kind of stuff. You can just do it with these two lenses and this one camera, and it won't cost you that much. Last but not least, reason number 5 why you should use micro four thirds camera system is because it is fun. As I said in many of my other videos, photography isn't just about the end result, isn't just about getting the perfect image, but it's also about having fun doing the process of photography. With other camera system, well, now they're focusing more on the features that makes taking pictures easier, and getting the perfect image becomes more convenient. Better autofocus, better resolution, more megapixel, this feature, that feature, all that kind of stuff. But with micro four thirds, I think it has its own mojo, its own character. Whenever I pick up my micro four thirds camera and start shooting, when I'm outside and getting nice images with it, I'm feeling like I want to take more pictures, and I think that's a good sign of having fun with photography, because I cannot really stop. I want to take more pictures, I want to have more great time, I want to have fun non-stop with these cameras and lenses. And yeah, that means that micro four thirds really brings me joy, brings me fun, and it gives me really great time, and that's really awesome. And that wraps up today's video. So that's all the reasons why you should use micro four thirds camera system from my own perspective. Now let's have a discussion together. Please comment down below, what are your reasons of why you should use micro four thirds camera system. Share it down below, and let's have a little bit of discussions and sharing. Also, if you have any question, please comment down below as well. I will try my best to answer them. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my channel even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below, or use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel. Thank you, and see you on the next video.